Hello, physics class. It is Monday morning, and last Thursday, I went to bed, and 3 o'clock in the morning, I got a text that my daughter had checked into the birthing center down in Nashville, so I headed out a little bit after that, and I spent the night in a hotel. I was driving alone, so I made it 2/3 of the way, spent the night in the hotel, and I will be going the rest of the way on Saturday to meet my new grandson, Dakota, and everything is fine. So I'll show you a picture of him when I get back, and I don't want to put it up on the internet just yet. I don't know if they'd be too happy about that. So anyway, today I'd like you to view this before you take the closing activity on Mod 10 on waves. And we sort of end it on Thursday watching a video, that took, sorry, we watched a video that took a while to express that when light went through one slit, it produced a band of light like that on the screen. But when it went through two slits, that's when the weirdness started. When it went through two slits, the light hit, it went on the screen, and it had a pattern of light, dark, light, dark, light, dark, like that. So that was the indicator that light was behaving as a wave, and we've discussed many times why that is. But that was accepted until Einstein noticed 4 different oddities, which we discussed on Thursday, which said that light was a particle. So to make a long story short, we now say under certain conditions light works as a wave, and under certain conditions it works like a particle. The thing that I wanted to mention about the video on Thursday, did you notice at the end, the cartoon guy, he said the same thing happens with electrons. So electrons, which we commonly think of as particles, when they go through one slit, you get this pattern, but when they go through two slits, you get the banding again. So once again, the electrons act like a particle sometimes and a wave at other times. I want to conclude before you take the exercise. It's actually, remember, we're taking Mod 10 and we're ending it as a worksheet. The test is being taken as a worksheet. We're going to talk about that in that not only does this phenomenon happen with this phenomenon of being a particle being a wave happens with light and electrons, it happens with all matter. So it happens with baseballs, it happens with you, it happens with the desk, it happens with everything. Everything acts like a particle sometimes and a wave other times. So not only is there wave-particle duality for light and electrons, it is for all matter. Your pencil, your book, the light, anything you see around you. So you may say, how does a baseball act like a wave? I can see it act like a particle, but why does it, in what scenarios does it act like a wave? And the answer to that is in quantum physics, and basically they say that the wavelength from large matter is so, the crests are so close, there's like millions of crests per centimeter, that when the baseball acts like the wave, its crests are so close together that they are indistinguishable. So the more matter there is, the less wave-like behavior we can observe. but in theory, it is there. So I'll just end that discussion with that, and point you to the fact that quantum physics is very odd and very interesting. All right, so you can turn off this video now and take the Mod 10 test/worksheet, and it is going to be given in such a way in class that you may use your notes in your books and to an extent each other. I don't mean you can do problems together during the worksheet, but you can say, oh, well, that is like problem OYO number 9, or try this formula and this formula. So you can give each other a nudge if you want to help each other, but the final work is your own. And do not compare answers. And that's all I have to say about instructions for the test worksheet. And it won't count as heavily as a normal test, and we are not reviewing and so forth, so we're saving a little bit of time on this Mod 10. All right, so take the test and finish it in class. If you don't finish it in class, take it home and bring it back finished on Tuesday. All right, do well, do me proud. You may turn off this section of the video and turn it back on. You can find this, I'll have another video for you. I'll turn this one off, this section off, and there will be a video for you on Tuesday to talk about the next area of discussion. Our next area of study is optics. All right, till then, bye.